Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to reset iPhone without password. Reset your iPhone but don't know how. If you are locked out and forgot the password, how can you reset the iPhone? Here you can get the detailed steps. Method 1. Reset iPhone from the lock screen. Make the failed attempts at entering passcode until the unavailable screen says try again in 5 minutes. Directly tap Forgot Passcode on the iPhone lock screen. Tap Start iPhone Reset. After that, enter the Apple ID password to begin the resetting process. Depending on the internet speed, the process will take some time to finish. When it loads successfully, the iPhone unavailable screen has been removed. So the problem is resolved. Set up the phone and personalize the settings. Method to reset iPhone using iPhone Passcode Genius. Just download iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius on the official website. This software is designed to remove iPhone multiple types of lock screen, can help to fix the iPhone unavailable screen, and reset it to factory settings. Then install it on the computer. Now open the software. Click Unlock Lock Screen option. Hit the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Click the Next button. Download firmware. Check the note message. Then click Unlock to remove the screen lock. Just wait a minute. Your iPhone unavailable screen will be removed. Congratulations!